irrespective of your country, wherever you're watching this video from. As you can see from this website, you can make up to 75,000 US dollars for doing some certain job from this website. You can make within $50,000 to 75,000 US dollars. Okay, let's now say you make $50,000. Let me go to Google and search the exchange rate to Naira. Boom, we have approximation of 80 million plus. That is the amount you can make within a year with this job opportunity here. So that means within a year you stand to make, if you're able to be working here in the website, you stand to make almost 80 something million in Naira for a whole year. This is what you stand to make. Recently, one of my fans from Ghana got in touch with me and share opportunity of how she was able to make money online doing some kind of remote job. So I was so moved by it. Like I know it's real and it's working. So she shared some idea with me how she has been making money. I try her on applying for some remote jobs online, and the one that she was able unfortunately to get job with online, doing some little jobs online. So this is what actually motivated me to make this video, because I call her, we talk on phone for like 30 minutes. So I try to understand how she tried one way or the other before she was able to be getting some amount of money online. So that one what prompted me to make this video for my fans, that you can also go there and try your luck. If you're able to get this, well, fine, that's your own luck. So I want to show you now how you can explore this site to look for job and make your money online. But before I go, if you're very new to my channel, what you can do to help yourself is to hit that subscribe button, then give me a like on this video and drop it in the comment box that make money online, or making money online, or earn money online. I will really appreciate, because this will actually help this video to rank well. So now I want to show you this now, guys. Then one more thing, I want you guys to join our community on WhatsApp and on Telegram. Just check the pinned message, you will see the link there. Go and join us so that at least we can have interaction. And if you have succeeded in one way or the other, please do not hesitate to get in touch with me so that I can use the opportunity to also help many more people that are looking for the same kind of opportunity. Okay, so I will really appreciate anything you do online and you know that it's working for you, either online or offline. Please get in touch with me and share with me. Please, let's help each other to grow. Okay, so guys, without further ado, let's go. So this is the site, weworkremotely.com. So when I check the stats now, the monthly visits from here is 1.9 million. So let's see the country that visit this place most: United States, followed by India, Canada, United Kingdom, Brazil. So these are the people that usually visit this place either to search for work or to post job opportunity. So you can see now, this is your home page, right? So from here you can check through some of this, but before you go there, let's come down and see what is actually available. So script writer need for our YouTube channel. So if you are very good in script writing, so this is a great opportunity for you. Then one more thing I want you to see, to take note of: you don't just apply anyhow. You see, you can apply for this, you can apply for but you don't just apply anyhow, right? Because some offer are limited to some countries, just like this one I see, anywhere in the world. So if you see anywhere in the world, that means you can apply anywhere in the world. You can apply all these things you are seeing. They are remote job. What mean by a remote job is that a job you can do online. You can do it online anywhere. You can do it at the comfort of your own room, or anywhere, any part of the country, or anywhere you are. You can do it online. It's not like you should have your physical presence before you can do it. Anyway, I'm still going there. Like, see this one, I see they stated there strictly for US only. So you see, USA only. See, so anywhere in the world, remote inside sales. So there are many business opportunity here. Don't just stay idle and like complaining about government, there's no job. Please, I'm still begging you, if you know anyone that's looking up to you for job opportunity, giving you CV, disturbing you, please auntie, please uncle, please sir, help me, I'm looking for a job, give them this video. There's no way they watch this thing. Maybe that's where actually help their reasoning ability. I'm not like someone like me. I'm not working for anybody, and I'm making my steady income that even people that work as a salary earner may hardly earn what I'm making within a week. So help them by sharing them with this video, this is to prove to them that you love them, you don't forget them, you still have them in mind, even despite that you have not given them some kind of substantial thing. If you can give them link to this video, it's more than 100,000, it's more than 1 million naira. I know what I'm saying. Okay, so let's go, guys. So from here now, they can search through with anywhere in the world opportunity, they can apply for it. Let me just click one of it. Now before I go, okay, let's search further about this job seeker. I can click on advanced job, top training job, remote jobs, so and many more like that. You see, so let's check one of these now. This is new, right? So I want to open it. Okay, this is it, but I want to see if they will put amount that they will pay here. Let me look for another one. Okay, let's see this now. You see this one with that they're paying $90 to $150 per hour. $90 to $150 per hour. And any other one you have interest, you can click and apply for it. Let me look for another one here, guys. This is just to show you. Okay, let me open this one and see. March 17th. What's today's date? Okay, today's date is March 17th. So this is today, March 17th. So this is a new offer. All this one, they are new offer. They are new business opportunity. So if you open now, you can take your time to read through and click on apply for this position from here. Okay, look at this job opportunity also. Remote video content creator. They want to pay within $25,000 to 48, or let's say 49,000 US dollars for this. So we are looking for a video content creator to join our small but growing remote team. So you can read further. If you have interest on this one, you can click here to apply. Let me see, apply for this position. There are many job opportunity here online, many opportunities in this, and that is why I'm showing you guys to please make use of this opportunity. I know what I heard from someone practically that are able to make money using some of these sites. So that is what I'm showing you guys now. Let's go to FAQ. So from FAQ now, anything you don't understand, you can just come here and read through many things they know you want to ask about. You can come here now, just secure account and many things like that. You need job, you want to work online, like, so there are many opportunities here, guys, please. So under this job seekers, I search for different of this. You see now, remote work, so you can also search for this. And another thing is you can create account with these people, with this workremotely.com, and submit your credentials here so that they will match you with the best position that fits what you have. So anytime opportunities available now, they will link you up as soon as possible. So guys, this is the opportunity I have for you, and I want you to take action. If you don't need it, maybe you're not after something like this online, if you have someone looking up to you, looking for opportunity like this, why not sending them this video, let them watch it? It's just to prove that you don't forget them, you still have in mind, you still have them in mind. All right, if you have interest in learning mini export business, mini exportation business, go and watch this video. If you have interest in learning about affiliate marketing, making money with affiliate marketing, go and watch this video here. If you have interest in making money on YouTube, or creating content on YouTube or something like that, go and watch this video. And this is a new video. Thank you guys for your time. I love you. Bye for now.